Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Nomadic Sage. Now in this video I would like to talk about the limited editions Explorer Kit by American Express, and basically what this is a limited edition box, a gift box from American Express, which would include these couple of things. And you might remember, like previously I did a video where there was a limited edition playing cards by American Express that they were giving to some of their customers. And now this time they are sending out this Explorer Kit, which would include this toy plane, as you can see, toy plane. And then this is a telescope, basically Voyager telescope they're saying, and the plane they're saying an aviator's plane. And other than that, these two Voyager voice tags, so basically they are flight luggage tags, name tags basically. And you can see that these three things are part of this package. Now how can you get this limited edition Explorer Kit? Now that is through a referral link. So let's say you do not have American Express credit card right now and you apply for one, or maybe if you have one basic American Express credit card and you want to apply for a second card, then you can use my link in the description below. And if you apply through that link and you get approved for a credit card, then what will happen is, firstly I will receive this limited edition kit, and like last time I will make a unboxing video of the Explorers kit if I receive it. And other than that I'll receive some bonus points, and you will also receive this limited edition Explorers kit. So we both will receive this Explorer kit, which would include all these three things. And other than that, if you apply through my link, then you will also get bonus points, and you will also get first year free on your credit card as well. Now if you click on my link, then what you will see is this page, and you can see that you will see this tag that exclusive limited time offer, which will end on 16th May. So apply for a card before this date so that you will get approved within this limited time frame as well. So the link will take you to a page to apply for an American Express Platinum Travel Credit Card. Now, if you apply through your own, obviously you will not receive the limited edition Explorer kit, but also you will have to pay the first year free, which if you apply through my referral link, you will not need to pay that fees. Now, in case you do not want this platinum travel credit card, you might want some other credit card, then obviously through this link you can do that as well. And you can just click on view other cards, just click on that, and it will take you to this page where it will give you all the offerings. So it will say that you're referred for this card, the platinum travel card, but other than that you can also apply for the gold card, the smart earn card, the American Express membership rewards credit card, and the platinum card. I do not know why it is not showing up the platinum reserve card. I'm not sure why that happened. It had never happened before. But on all of the cards, like all of these five cards, you can see that the exclusive offer is still there. And if you apply for any of these cards, you will get this Explorer kit as well. Now, one point I would like to let you know is that if you apply for this credit card for an travel platinum card, then you do not need to pay the first year fee, which is mostly there on other cards, like 1000 rupees on first year fee for the gold card, and 4500 for the second year onward is there if you apply through a referral link. But for membership reward credit card, and this is a card that I am using, and you can see that on this card as well you only need to pay the second year fees onwards, and the first year fees would be nil. Also, this is a reduced fees. So if you do not apply through a referral link, then you would need to pay, I guess, 4,500 rupees plus taxes for second year onwards. But if you apply through a referral link, the fees get reduced to only 1,500 rupees plus taxes. That's it. So this, in my opinion, is a really good offer. So if you are willing to, get a basic card from American Express, then I believe this is a good card to apply for. Or if you have good spends on American Express, you feel that you can do some good spends, then travel card is also a really good card, and you also get some launch benefit on this card as well. Otherwise, if you're a high baller, then obviously platinum card, you can go for it. And if you need some card for for your fuel purchases, like if you have a car or a motorcycle and you are looking for a card that gives you rewards for fuel spends, then in American Express gold card is a great option as well. So that was the video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, then apply through my referral link in the description below for the American Express credit card, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up on this video so that I can continue to make more such videos in the future. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.